This is a beautiful Atlas sewing machine. It's kind of a pink color, referred to as a pink Atlas. Got the little man there, you got all the globes. Let me spin it around for you. See the other side. It is in immaculate condition. I had a lot of fun reconditioning this machine and getting it in top shape condition. And it's strong. I mean, this is a stout machine. This is 16 layers of fabric. Goes through it like it's nothing. Powerful machine. Look at that bobbin case area underneath here. Take a look how stout that's built. They don't even have plastic here. Even this is metal. A lot of Singers, this is plastic, but not this Japanese made Atlas. Beautiful plates on it. Wonderful machine. Great shape. Look at that, a 1.2 amp motor. Motor is made in the USA. The rest of the machine was made in Japan. There it is, the beautiful pink Atlas.